Hi, my name is Esmeralda Guzman. I work for Rogers O'Brien Construction, and this is a day in the life of a quality manager. I tend to utilize my commute to gain training hours by listening to a good book or a podcast. Once on site, I begin my day by organizing priorities which stand out to me in different colors. These include QC action plans, observations, field inspections, as well as contract document review, since I'm responsible to ensure that construction conforms to plans and specs. As I find clashes, I will communicate these with the field team and utilize BIM modeling to find solutions. I will also communicate these solutions with our superintendents to help create a plan of action for the field. My role also requires fieldwork QC, where I verify dimensions, inspect site conditions, and progress as a way to mitigate potential issues early. I'm currently on a new ground-up elementary school project housing about 1,000 students. This 127,000 square foot structure is being finished by several women, designed and ran by a team of women, and I am proud to be amongst them. Now, to wrap up my day, I document findings, update reports, and follow up on outstanding issues. And once the day is done, I get to come home and be greeted by my favorite four-legged creatures. And I'm proud to say that is a day in my life.